indeed. Not a minute is wasted. Extremely well led. You see lots of formation and individual. Please welcome Team Raven. And every now and then you'll hear basically Wells, Gerald Williams, well-known rugby player, Russ E12, and Mark Southern there bringing up numbers 4, 5 and 6. So completing their first manoeuvre, now giving you their delta underside pass. These terrific kit-built aircraft. 4 and 5 now pulling up. With a little twist there, a little quarter clover turn. Roll. The soft sounds from the formation. And they make it look so simple, but of course the work is all on the outside of that formation, and the stick changes and rudder changes much more subtle and more demanding. Meanwhile, 4 and 5 pulling up in front.
Sure, one flag. Running in. Go, a little early. No worries.
They've all flown with a number of different teams and aircraft in the past, have done the most terrific job over, well over 20, 30 years, some of them. There have been a few changes as well and a mix of formations over the years. But here now, passing from left to right, is the cyclone.
Go.
And now the G coming on very gently and stably. So Gerald Williams and Russie well split off from the main, and now the rest of the formation break as well. Absolutely delightful maneuver. Gerald needs little introduction, really. Originally a professional rugby player from Wales, also played for New Zealand and South Africa. A successful businessman now in South Wales, Swansea area ranges of aircraft. As the 4-ship come back in for another maneuver.
Back rolling.
And expertly done, and so the great Wilson and Pete Wells. Pete Wells himself well known on the air display circuit as well, having amassed literally 6,000 or 7,000 hours by now. But better known for introducing, he was the first man to fly a night pyrotechnic display at Bournemouth 15 years ago. He went solo on his 16th birthday and retains a keen interest in gliding, but also managed. Oh, just wonderfully well done. Quite superb. Pull up in front of us. Pulling into a big barrel roll as they come towards us. It's a bit like flying around a very, very large automobile barrel. And you hear the cadence in the words there, very precise. And that is so that everybody puts the control inputs into the aircraft at exactly the same time. So just give them a hug, because this is the Raven Heart. Gerald and Russ once again completing that, and a little bit of resetting and repositioning. Keep your eyes to right now as 1, 2 and 3 pull up into the crocodile loop. for the twizzles. And then I think you'll agree with me is the most delightful manoeuvre. Wonderful. And this is a super manoeuvre. They pull up first of all, and then they go down for the downwards fan brake. Okay, let's drop into the cockpit. And stand by for the brake.